Morning, Steve Fried in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, overnight prices are sharply unchanged. I think the market is just kind of waiting for this USDA report that comes out Thursday, 11 o'clock Central Time, in which they will give us their official estimates of March 1 corn, soybean, and wheat stocks here in the country, and their first guess of U.S. 2013 planted acres by crop. Overnight, the data showed across the southern United States corn plantings are ahead of normal. These states, though, only account for 4% of the U.S. corn crop. The weather over the next week to 10 days should remain mostly cooler than normal, with chances of a couple of storms moving across the Midwest. So that could delay early plantings of the Midwest and Mid-South corn crop. We also saw the wheat crop ratings, at least in Oklahoma and Texas, improve. Kansas stayed about unchanged. From a global standpoint, down in South America, it looks like the Brazil export pace continues to be slow, and that could offer some concern of soybeans that are going into China, and if there's enough to satisfy their crush demand. Well, we don't know if anything will be switched to the United States, but our old crop situation is very tight and really can't afford to have anything switched. Other than that, outside markets are fairly quiet. They're a little bit better. I think everyone's kind of watching what's going on in Southern Europe to see which direction the dollar is going to go and what impact that might have on demand. Some of the base metals continue to leak lower, suggesting the world economy might be slowing, especially in China. As far as long-range weather forecast is concerned, they're trying to hint that maybe the U.S. will get back to at least normal temperatures 14 days down the road. But that's a long way away, especially for weather forecasts to be accurate. The report on Thursday at 11 o'clock, the market is leaning towards a bullish old crop corn and soybean stocks number that could push the market up through, or at least test key resistance that we've been trading since the first of the year. The acres numbers should be a little higher than a year ago, and that could offer some resistance to the new crop price, especially once we get the crops to begin to be planted. The market's going in, I think, long corn, short beans, and maybe long corn, short wheat. So at 11 o'clock there may be a violent reaction to the numbers, either people trying to jump on board with those spreads or actually trying to get out of those spreads. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.
Let me double check and see. I don't know if